Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another unboxing and flip through video. This is going to be on the Mystical Shaman Oracle deck and guidebook, illustrated by Jena DellaGrottaglia, and it is by Alberto Villoldo, Colette Baron-Reid, and Marcela Lobos. So if I butchered your name, I apologize. We should know by now I'm not very good at this. So this is retailing for $39.99 and it's published by Hay House. You can find this many different places and I will link all of those down in the description box that I know of. I'm not sponsored or paid for these reviews, so no worries there. Alrighty, so it says, legends say that before there was time, before there was language, there were sacred symbols. The medicine wheel, the curse, the eagle, the jaguar, and others spoke to us intimately. In their countless manifestations, they offered hope, expressed caution, illuminated opportunity, inspired creation, courted power, and shared knowledge, the sacred symbols belonging to the realm of archetypes and the collective unconscious, the spiritual common ground shared by peoples, modern and ancient. Now, 3 master teachers and healers have brought their wisdom and talents together to offer a doorway into the realm of the sacred symbols with the Mystical Shaman Oracle. When you consult the Oracle, you summon power and insight that can help you understand the present, heal the past, and influence the course of your future. We can become our own prophets and visionaries. We can converse directly with spirit, dialogue with the forces of nature, speak with the great archetypes, the ancient gods, without intermediaries. No one needs to stand between the creator and you, or between you and the great powers of nature. So 64 cards and a guidebook. I'm excited about these because I do love Colette Baron-Reid. This has been a Oracle deck that I've been wanting to pick up for a while. I happen to get it on sale, so if I do not like it, I'm not out $40. So this is why I do these videos, so you can see what the deck is like before you purchase, if you connect to it or you're drawn to it. That way you're not salty when you open it up and you hate it. So this happened to me quite a few times. So on we go. There is this nice little sleeve. It is really nicely packaged so far. I do like the fact that it is really secure. It's pretty sturdy, so that's great. Again, I'm going to keep in mind the full retail price. Oh my goodness, it's being very difficult. There we go. I'm going to keep in mind the full retail price, and so that way we can decide if it's worth it or not. So this is actually really beautiful. We have the book-like spine, the back, it's like watercolor art, fantastic. And then we have the hinge here. So it is magnetic, I love it. Before there was time, before there was language, there were the sacred symbols. I love it. Oh, and it has a ribbon. Okay. Very, very nice. So if you guys have seen the yogic path Oracle video or any of the wild unknown videos that I've done, this is a very similar package, and it is well worth $40 if it is in this packaging, because what I like about it is if you're buying it for a gift, there's that little cute symbol. If you're buying it for a gift, it's fantastically packaged already. It looks wonderful, and then you also get this beautiful separate packaging here. So if you are one that takes your cards on the go, or if you like to have them out for display, you don't have to have it in the big box. You can have it in this smaller box, which is awesome. So like if you don't need the guidebook or anything with it, just take these and you're good to go. So love it already. Before we get into the cards, let's see if there's anything specific that we need to know about in this book here. The guidebook is beautiful. Alrighty, ready. So it does have a wonderful index here of the cards. And how to work the deck is what I'm interested in right now. Here we go. The essence tells you the timeless message of the card. It expands the symbol until you grasp its message without your needing to analyze it. Always read the essence first. Okay, the invitation tells you the gifts that Spirit is extending to you at this moment. It is a call to action. Read the invitation only if your card is upright. That's good to know. The medicine tells you the aspect or area of our life or relationships that you need to bring into balance and to repair. Read the medicine only if your card is reversed. Remember, there are no bad cards, so reversed cards should not be avoided. In fact, you might want to see this as extra help from the unseen world to guide and protect you. This is very Colette Baron-Reid right here. So it says every card is a dynamic snapshot of a situation or a moment and shows you how the moment can transform from one condition to another. The symbols present the forces and influences at play and the direction that the energy is moving toward. After you meditate on the image and the power that it holds, consult the text in this guidebook. Each card has the 3 important messages. Awesome. Okay, so then it says how to ask the questions, 1 card reading, 3 card reading, 4 card reading here. And then it goes on to the card's meaning. So let's get into what the cards look like. All right, I'm already loving the box. Okay, then it says that the cards in there. Oh, I love little details like this. It just makes me feel like the authors and the illustrators put that extra special something in there. It took the time. I just love it. Again, with the ribbon, fantastic. And then we have that little symbol there as well. I love the contrasting ribbon. So much fun. Okay. As I wreck my station here. Tear into it. So the back is really fun. It's like old worldy. Ooh, I feel like they're very smooth. Almost like that buttery finish. Ooh, are these a new favorite? Well, let's find out. Oh, okay. These are gorgeous. I'm already loving it. So let's dive deep in these, shall we? They feel good gliding out of your hands. They are really kind of buttery. They are on the thinner side, but not too thin. So they're not feeling cheap at all. They are flexible, but they do snap back. Do you see that? They're not bending out of, they're not warping. Too bad, I should say. They are flexible. Oh, so if you have seen the Animal Spirit Guide Oracle that Colette Baron-Reid has, these are very similar art styles to that. Very gorgeous. I bet this deck and that other deck would make a fantastic reading. In fact, that may have to happen. These are stunning. They glide really nice. I'm excited to see how they shuffle. Oh, that's so pretty. That's really neat. And I love how they're numbered so you can find them right away in the guidebook. And those of you who are into numerology will find that helpful. These are absolutely stunning. I'm loving the pumpkins. Ah, love it, love it. I do see some diversity in here, which is fantastic. Oh, so pretty. I know this is an older deck, about, I think 2018, I think this is when that came out. So I know it's not, you know, brand new, a new release or anything, but it is new to me. So therefore we are unboxing it. And then once we're done flipping through these cards, I'll pull a card after the shuffle, and then we'll see how it reads from the book. So hopefully everyone is staying safe, everyone is doing well. Oh, that's so pretty. And there goes my dog, running, running. Oh, so pretty. What is your favorite Colette Baron-Reid deck? I don't know if I have a favorite. I do have her Good Tarot that I need to do a flip through review on. So that is coming soon. I love that tarot deck. I've been playing around with it and it is so positive. And this has a similar feel to it, this deck. Absolutely beautiful. It's one of those decks that you can just stare at for however long you need and find something new. We're almost done flipping through. Oh, so pretty. Really interested to see how these read. Okay, wind and witness. And I feel like sometimes on the video screen, it looks a little bit muddy with this type of particular art style. But honestly, I just wish you could dive into the video screen here and just look at all of the little minute details and the little different distinctions of color, because it's there and sometimes the video just does not pick up on it. So it may look muddy to you, but it's not. It's really pretty. All right, so let's see how it shuffles. Oh, so nice. It does feel so buttery and so nice. Oh. All right, let's reverse some here. Okay, yeah, no, this is beautiful. It shuffles wonderfully. There's no cards sticking to any of the other cards. This is so nice. Okay. So let's go ahead and pull a card. Let's see how this reads. We have flow, number 20. Okay. Almost there. 22. All right, so flow. The essence. This is a natural movement of events in the world. You can see it in phenomena such as the tide, the ebb and flow of oceans and rivers that rise up from the earth, then flow to the sea. The symbol of flow represents the effortless and natural movement toward a certain destination. It signifies an ability to gracefully move around obstacles and reminds you of the sense of allowing. Okay, so let's see, what was it about the invitation? Okay, so read the invitation only if your card is upright. Okay, so the invitation says, when flow comes to visit, it's a sign that your intentions have been in motion. Now is the time to allow nature to run its course. You are being called to effortless movements and the path of least resistance. It's like being within music, flowing within partnership. Think of the artist who creates without guide or craft, calling creativity up from the soul and bringing it to life without effort. You are called to be like a river, knowing the fulfillment and destiny is assured. Enjoy the ride. Oh my goodness. Okay, so it's not color in here, but that's just fine. It's nice and bold and big, and it has the different meanings for upright and reverse, and then the essence is fantastic, and it's got some spreads is the word that I want to say. It's packaged beautifully. The art is gorgeous. It would make a wonderful gift. Now, as far as $40 price tag is concerned, I will say that is well worth and right on target for being an Oracle deck packaged this nicely with this nice of a guidebook. Especially since there are 3 authors as well as an illustrator. So you're getting what you're paying for here. However, as always, if you can get it on a sale, power to you. Awesome. I love the separate boxes. I love the attention to detail. The art is gorgeous. I have no complaints. It shuffles great. I don't feel like I'm getting, I was cheated out of any sort of quality at all. Could the cards be a little bit thicker? I mean, they're not bad. They're sturdy, they're flexible, they snap back. And if you treat them well, they're gonna be just fine. They are numbered, which is fantastic. They're great for beginners because this guide is super, super beginner friendly as well. And as with the artwork and the titles of the card, you can use your intuition as well really easily with these. So I highly recommend these as far as using them on their own or using them with your favorite tarot deck. I am really excited to try these out with the Good Tarot from Colette Baron-Reid. So let me know, do you have this deck? Do you own it? Do you use it? What do you think about it? Is it a go-to deck? Because it looks like it could be one of my new go-to Oracle decks. If so, you know, give me your thoughts down in the comment section, or, you know, how do you feel, whether it's positive or negative? I'm always curious to know. Do you think it is worth the $40? I think so, comparative to all of the other decks that are retailed for the same price, definitely. So as always, thank you so much for watching. Leave me your favorite deck of Colette Baron-Reid's down in the comment section as well. I'm always curious. And I hope you guys are all fantastic, healthy, well, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.